Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell products on Facebook without spending any money on the ads or creating a Facebook page. So this will be an organic marketing type of thing where you can sell products without running any ads. So you don't need a Facebook page in this case. Your personal Facebook account will do just fine. But I will suggest creating a specific personal account for selling your products on Facebook platform. So after creating that specific Facebook profile that is very relevant, the information of your Facebook profile is very relevant to your business, like the bio and other things. You can also do some postings on from your new Facebook profile account, and then after doing them you need to go to this option that says marketplace, and if you don't find it here you can click on the see more button, and then you can see there is an option that says marketplace. So you have to go there, and after going into that interface you will see all of these options. So you don't need to get overwhelmed by these options. You can click on create new listing, and then you can see these categories. It says item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale or rent. Now depending on your selling products you can click any of these, but if the product or the thing you are trying to sell here doesn't go in this category that says vehicle for sale or home for sale or rent, in that case you can go with item for sale without any doubt or hesitation. So after coming into this interface you can add photos here or add videos here, and here you can see you have to put the title here and price of your product, and you will see a lot of categories here, and you need to select the one that goes with your product or relevant to your product. And if you are trying to sell different type of things and none of these categories really match with your product type, you can click this option, and then you have to put all the informations here, if it's new, used, like new, or used in good condition or used in fair condition and things like that. You don't need to boost it because as I said it can be an organic method of selling your product, so you don't need to click on this because this is a like paid advertisement. So after like inputting all the informations you can go into the next interface and then publish it. So that you can understand it better, I will do a demo here. Let's say self storage in Dallas, and you can select any photos here that you want, and after that you can do the price option here. You have to input here, and then let's say it goes into this category and it's new or like used, but the condition is like new, and you have to be very careful about the location, because based on your location this product will be shown to the people of that specific location. So be careful about that. And you can select any option here, and then it's asking for more information. So you can say this is a new self storage in Dallas, and then we can click on next. And now, besides listing it on the marketplace from your personal Facebook account, you can list this item or product on the relevant groups as well. And then if you click on publish, it will be published on the Facebook marketplace. So that's how you do it. And there is one more important thing: when selecting the title, you need to understand what type of words or sentences people uses to find similar type of product like yours on Facebook marketplace or on Facebook platform. And the description need to be very informative, and it should have the sentences that people may use to search your product or product like yours on Facebook marketplace or on Facebook. This increases the chances of your product to be shown to the potential buyers very much. So that's a very important thing when trying to sell your product on Facebook marketplace. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks.